If we can get it out, throw it over.
There we go. Can you get it out?
Yeah, curve it.
It's fucking stuck right there.
How do we get this bitch out? How do we get this bitch in here?
Wait, how did you get it in there?
How did we get it in here?
I think it was
take
this
the
way.
Corner out first. Take this big ass corner sticking out first. This way. There it is. Shit.
Fuck. Oh.
Yeah. How did this happen?
Did you get it in the front?
Again. Okay, what? We should show you. It's a good spot here. Fuck. Is this for real? Is this really happening? Did you bring it out the front door? Did you bring it in the front door? What if I took this off? Let's take this bitch right at the wall. Now I got
Good
a
idea.
extra door space. Now.
Is that enough?
That's enough.
Doesn't seem
oh
like
shit,
it.
don't slam it. It's very soft right there. It's already made a mark. Alright, so he's been YouTube the mark.
Gonna get the whole thing.
We gonna get this bitch out of here. One way or another.
Alright, move to there we go, there we go.
We got it.
Yeah, the spot now.
Ow! Alright, put on the bed. Tossing it?
You want to toss it?
You know it's gonna hit the shed. No. I'm not gonna let it hit the shed. You gonna throw it with me? Yeah. Hold on.
You're not doing it.
Gonna hit that car. Can you throw it farther than the shed? Oh shit! On my head. Grab it. I got it. You ready to throw it? Which way? Down,
Just
over the
straight.
shed. Okay.
One.
Two. Yeah.